Show us your phone wallpaper and explain the story behind it. जब से हमारा engagement हुआ है तब से मैंने यही photo रखी है. 3 things that you do in love. I get angry in love. What's the one thing you cannot forgive your parents for? I don't think I can ever. I don't know. One compliment you find really hard to accept. When was the last time you cried? Show an unseen childhood photograph of yourself. Read out the last text from your ex. He's messaged me. What is a song that gives you instant comfort? There's actually the song that Rahul dedicated. Can I actually ask him? वो कौन सा song है जो तू गाता है मेरे लिए? I think this was just such a perfect end. Welcome to Cards for Humanity, where rules are simple. Read the card and answer the question. You just can't skip any question. Introduce yourself in 3 words that describe you the best. I'm Prableen Kaur Bhamra, also known as PKB, and the 3 words would be selfless, caring, and loving. Yeah. Show an unseen childhood photograph of yourself. I have to search it in my mom's chat. Every, I think, Mother's Day, every Daughter's Day or some day, she will, make like such cute edits of me. And bachpan ke sab photos ko she'll compile and then she'll make one cute video and she'll post it on her story WhatsApp status. That's my dad on the side and that's me. I'm actually so cute. Like, I'm actually really, really cute. One compliment you find really hard to accept. I won't say a compliment जो लोग मुझे देते हैं, but I feel सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए जो difficult thing थी in my life was to compliment myself. Because if you are on the chubbier side and if you have acne, I was this hairy girl जिसको घर पे परमिशन भी नहीं था कि वो कभी बाल शेव कर पाए या बाल काट पाए. एंड वो टाइम पे टू फील happy in the body that you are, because I am constantly gaining weight. I am, no matter what I'm trying, मुझे PCOS हो गया तो मेरे को acne बढ़ने लग गया, मुझे hair fall बढ़ने लग गया. I started gaining so much weight and वो time पे to speak positively towards myself was I think the biggest challenge. And to tell myself that Prableen, you're really beautiful. Prableen, you're looking pretty today. I feel वो सबसे difficult था for me to accept. So that's why if today somebody comes in, compliments something to me, I just take it very positively because I'm like, it's an internal journey that I fought for a very long time. So today when I'm getting it, I'm going to be happy about it. One thing you wish you would have said before it was too late. I feel for a very long time, जब तक I was a teenager and जब तक मैं बड़ी भी थी, like my mom and dad both, I was not allowed to wear sleeveless clothes. I was not allowed to wear shorts. I was not allowed. Like if you see my school ke pictures, you will see कि मैं birthday parties pe where all the girls have worn cute dresses, cute gowns. I have worn a suit salwar and I've gone to their birthday because I was not allowed to. So that is the upbringing that I had. And उनको मैंने तभी कभी ऐसे बोला नहीं कि let me wear clothes जो मेरा मन चाहे. फॉर 8 years आई फील मैंने सिर्फ उनके हिसाब से, जब मैं बड़ी भी हो गई थी तभी भी मैं उनसे वो चीज़ के लिए लड़ नहीं पाई कि मुझे ड्रेसेस पहनने हैं. तभी भी आई हैड टू वेयर लाइक फुल जीन्स. आई रिमेंबर मैं कॉलेज जाती थी. कॉलेज के अंदर भी अगर आई हैव एंटर्ड द कॉलेज इज़ व्हेन आई वुड रिमूव माई चुन्नी एंड जस्ट पुट इट ऑन माई ऐसे जस्ट नेक लाइक अ शॉल. बट एंटर करते वक्त, एंटर करने तक they would wait for me कि मैं चुन्नी पहन के कॉलेज के अंदर एंटर कर रही हूँ. आई फील मैं बहुत इनसिक्योर हो गई अबाउट माई बॉडी एंड इट वॉज जस्ट नॉट अ गुड थिंग पर्सनली फॉर माई ग्रोथ. एंड अब जब मैं अपने आप को देखती हूँ, आई फील सो कंफर्टेबल वेयरिंग बिकॉज आई एम कंफर्टेबल इन दिस आउटफिट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. इट्स जस्ट माई चॉइस बिकॉज नो मैटर मैं कोई भी वेट में हूँ, मैं अगर ये आउटफिट के अंदर कंफर्टेबल फील कर रही हूँ तो मुझे वो पहनना चाहिए क्योंकि वो मेरी इच्छा है. बट मैं अपनी इच्छा को बोल नहीं पाई. Read out the most cringiest DM you've ever received. I don't think I get ऐसे ज़्यादा cringy DMs. I feel all the cute girls, I have a lot of girls from different villages, okay? और वो लोग मुझे ना बहुत लंबे लंबे like they write down full on like essays and they will email, मतलब they will पहले DM me, then they will email and then they will comment down on my post that please go and see the email. and these essays will be just so heartwarming. मतलब वो मुझे अपना पूरा दिन बताएंगे. So I don't think it's cringe, but it's just so cute. So yeah, I love it. You wanna read one of them? It's like, hello Prableen Didi, I'm from Kerala. My name is. I'm a big supporter of you. Your content creation makes me feel so confident in my body. I'm writing this email because I don't have Insta. That's why I have fallen in love with you and a dress that you wore in one of your videos. I love you and your creativity mindset. Wish you all the best for your future success. Love you. It's so cute. Like someone removing time from their day and writing you an email when they don't have Instagram. It's just, I love it. Read out the last text from your ex. I don't remember actually when have I even spoken to him. he's he's messaged me Lodi di twanu lakh lakh vadaiyan, which was on 13th Jan, so I've replied same to you. So yeah, that's the last message that he sent me. Show us your phone wallpaper and explain the story behind it. Oh, it's so cute. So that's me and my fiance Rahul. We were best friends. Like we've been best friends since 8 years, and 5 साल से हम date कर रहे हैं. And this year we got engaged. And this was the first function that we did. This is my roka ceremony. हम गुरुद्वारे सबसे पहले गए थे एंड हमने वहाँ पे जाके अरदास की थी. इट्स जस्ट सच अ क्यूट पिक्चर एंड द वे लाइक इट्स कैप्चर्ड बोथ ऑफ अस आर लुकिंग एट ईच अदर इन गुरुद्वारा एंड इट वॉज जस्ट अ ब्यूटिफुल डे जो कभी मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि वो हो पाएगा बिकॉज ही इज तेलुगु and I am Sikh. So, you know, to get that to happen and to have it happen in the most beautiful way and started from Gurdwara, I feel was just such a surreal moment. 3 things that you do in love. I have no bar in my love. I will go above and beyond and do anything possible for that person. May that be at 4 a.m. in the night. If I have to travel to a different state for that person, if I have to constantly be on call maybe for like 12 hours, I will do that. For me, practicality does not exist in love. So I'm so emotion driven, but if I feel कि नहीं वो person को ये चाहिए होगा वो time पे तो चाहिए ही होगा और फिर कोई उस चीज़ को support करे ना करे, I am going to do it. So and another thing, I get angry in love. मैं सिर्फ उन पे गुस्सा होती हूँ जिन पे मुझे हक है. The moment I don't care, the moment I have understood that this is not my place, you will not see me get angry at you. And I feel showing hak plays a very very big part in my interpretation of love. So मैं तभी गुस्सा होंगी या किसी की छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मुझे बुरी लगेगी या कुछ वो कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे I'm like, why the f- are you doing this? So all of that will happen only when I love that person. So yeah, मेरा वो हक जताने वाला जो एक thing है that can be a lot for people around me, but they also know that Prableen ने अगर ये बंद कर दिया तो मतलब you know something has changed. So yeah. Have you ever lost a friendship you thought that would last forever? Actually, I have. There were 2 really really important friendships in my life जो मुझे लगता है that defined the way I still look at people and still look at friendships, and then I understood that this is a complete non-negotiable for me, and both of them have been female friendships, and I have never had a bad experience with any of my guy best friends, and I have like 8 of them, and they've been with me since like the past 10 years, and our relationship has still remained the same. I feel that you will find people, and just I found 2 bad friendships does not mean that all friendships with women in my life have been bad. I feel they kind of shaped me in a way जहाँ पे मुझे पता था कि मुझे ये चीज़ों के लिए fall नहीं होना in my relationship with any of my girl best friends. And today the girl best friends that I have, may that be Dolly, may that be Nishtha, may that be Shrimai, may that be Aditi, these girls have seen me through it all. They've seen me through living in my house where there was just so much chaos, to shifting in my first 1 BHK, to shifting to my 2 BHK, to buying my first house, to now getting married. They've seen the entire curve. With girls, that is actually the difference. When you sit with girls, you look at each other in each other's eyes and you can cry, you can weep, and you will feel so safe because that space is just for you, and you know that there is no judgment. Nobody is going to go behind and bitch about it because these people are going to be there till the time you're going to live. So those two shitty friendships where they did not value me is not going to change the way I look at my female best friendships, because they are beautiful and they've shaped me into such a beautiful person, and they've made me understand why it's so important to me. And yeah, send a voice note to a long lost friend of yours. So I'm just going to send a voice note to her. Hi, Anusha. I'm sending a voice note to you because I'm getting married. I'm getting married in October and you have to come for the wedding. This is not an official invitation, but my card bhi bhejungi. But I'll see you. Love you. Bye. One of my best friends who was in junior college with me, her name is Anusha. And I think her friendship with me just always stayed in my mind, that even after हम लोग ने ऐसे एक दो साल भी बात नहीं किया, still whenever we will meet, it'll still be the same. And I remember जब she met me and she's like, if तूने मुझे तेरी शादी पे नहीं invite किया, मैं खुद आ रही हूँ. I'm not going to wait for your invitation. So that is the kind of hug I also expect from my friends. Okay, now we're on the last card. Okay, what is a song that gives you instant comfort? There's actually the song that Rahul dedicated. Can I actually ask him? Hello? वो कौन सा सॉन्ग है, मेरी खुशियाँ ही ना बाटे, जो तू गाता है मेरे लिए? हाँ, okay, bye. So, so there's this song called Chansi Mehbooba. Okay. I don't sing that well. चांसी महबूबा हो मेरी, कब ऐसा मैंने सोचा था, हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था, ना कसमें है ना रस्में है, ना शिकवे है ना वादे है, एक सूरत भोली भाली है, दो नैना सीधे साधे हैं, दो नैना सीधे साधे हैं, ऐसा ही रूप ख्यालों में था जैसा मैंने सोचा था, हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था, मेरी खुशियाँ ही ना बाटे, मेरे गम भी सहना चाहे, देखे ना ख्वाब महलों के, मेरे दिल में रहना चाहे, मेरे दिल में रहना चाहे, इस दुनिया में कौन था ऐसा जैसा मैंने सोचा था, हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था. So yeah, that's the song that gives me instant comfort ever since Rahul has dedicated it to me.
We have reached the end of the game. How does it make you feel?
Amazing. It was so wholesome. Rush of emotions. So it was very cute. I loved it. And I think this was just such a perfect end to this entire segment, because every time I listen to it, every time it makes me cry. That's exactly how I wanted my relationship to be. And if we found each other, there's nothing more that I want in life. So thank you for making me do this, because it was beautiful. This was Cards for Humanity on Yuva. Like, share, and subscribe. We are Yuva on all platforms, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.